330 16. 16 14 and 005. I think it's here. No. 0. No, it's not here. I think on this side. Is it? Let's check. No, it's not here. It's more forward. See? 16, 14, 12, 10, 25. This is odd numbers. We have odd number. This one is even. No, it's more forward. Let's go. I think one more. Let's check. We don't have these numbers here. There is one more here. No. Is the SRS. I remember before where I used to live. No. No, there is nothing here.
That's what I'm like.
Deck 4. Hello. Maybe more forward? No. No?
This one?
No, we don't have this one. It's more forward.
79.
It's the other compartment. We need to go around. No? No, it's not here.
81.
No.
33109.
No. We have 25, 23, 19 until 16. It's this way. Hello. How are you? Hello. Morning. I think I know where is it. There is a door here. And this is Christian Reyes.
Yeah, great.
How are you? Morning.
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Hello. How are you?
Good morning. Can we have one of your guys forward?
Hello. I think it's here. No? See? It's here, no? I think it's here. 25. Hello. How are you?
Good morning.
Morning.
Good.
Let's check. 18. We don't have 18. This is the even number, so we are on the other side.
You got 12?
No. No.
What is
See?
starting from 18 to 330?
We have 12, 14, 16, 18. We have 12.
Go rounds.
Yeah.
Go rounds. Go rounds.
330, 12. Check. Okay. All looks okay. No? Okay, all good. Ooh, too much perfume, no? So, this is 12.
Yes, sir.
14, we have this one, no?
Is that 14?
Yeah. Gali.
Go rounds.
Also that one.
Go rounds.
Yeah, Gali, we have these three cabins here.
Go rounds.
Smell?
Hey, Gully, they have a good room. They have a carpet. See?
Yeah.
They have a fridge also?
Because this one is chef. This is a blue door. It's like my cabin. See, it's alone, no?
Oh, see.
Why I am not alone?
Shut up. I tried to say Shakura because I was on my mind. They have a good room.
Oh, sing nice, no? Nice room. 18 is night worker next door, so we don't check. What do you think about this room?
I don't like this one.
Okay. This one is night worker. Okay, let's go. 10. Where is 10? Here.
Cool rounds. Cool rounds.
RDA. My duck.
They have a PlayStation?
Yeah.
These people are rich.
It's
What do you
PlayStation 5 and a lot of ducks because public area. Okay, let's go. These people are rich. This one 08. Crew Rounds.
Crew Rounds. No, one second. Crew Rounds.
The card.
It's like a wet towel.
It's okay. We just check quick. We're looking for something. You know, it's our guys. We don't want to write something like but comments. So okay. 08 006
Crew Rounds.
SRS John and Simon.
6. Crew Rounds.
No. Okay, Jordan, let me check bathroom. Good. Okay, next 002.
Crew Rounds.
We make quick, no?
Crew Rounds.
They have PlayStation. These people are rich, yeah. It's $800 the PlayStation, no? Okay, good. No problem. Yeah, of course. Next. So 002, 004.
Crew Rounds.
Pradip Digambar.
They are on the deck 16.
Yeah,
Crew Rounds.
I know. Nice. Yeah, it's okay. Nice, clean, not bad.
Yeah, smells Indian.
It's okay. 004, 003. Here.
Crew Rounds.
Bellman. Oh, nice, no?
Crew Rounds.
No, he's not alone. But maybe he's alone. Maybe somebody sleep with a girlfriend, no? You know. Okay. Looks like it's alone. 003, 007.
Crew Rounds. Crew Rounds.
Keisha, room division attendant. Who is this? Nicaragua?
Oh, very nothing in there.
They share bathroom. Two girls with a guy.
I don't know if that's a guy or what.
It was Bellman, no?
Yeah.
And they share bathroom, the two girls with the guy. How come?
No. Bellman.
They-
I don't think there's a bed here. No, Bellman.
They don't
I
share?
don't think there's a sharing.
Ah, yeah, this is not shared.
But it's good. I like washroom. This
It's good they
sink
don't
outside.
share. Hmm.
Sink outside. You know, if one guy is, but
This-
they don't have a shell.
This one, I think, stay only one person here. Maybe one of them stay.
No, two, because sweater is there.
Yeah, yeah.
This
No, I
black
think
jacket.
just stay because not much luggage. Maybe one of them. This one, they stay with somebody.
Keisha. Crew Rounds.
Santosh, Richard.
Crew Rounds.
Okay. Yeah, it looks okay. It's not bad. No. 005, 009.
Crew Rounds. Crew Rounds. Kevin, our previous Kevin. The Gatsby.
Who was Kevin? Ah, the one he just moved. Okay. It's clean.
They share washroom.
They have here sink. It's clean, yeah. 009, 011, this one.
Crew Rounds.
Ah, Elisha is here. We will check his car.
Crew Rounds.
What prohibited is hiding. To my duck again. No? It's okay. Yeah. Nothing special. Nothing. So next 015. Hello.
Rounds.
2 young Weaving Aquarius.
Crew Rounds. This guy's also very calm. He's like you.
Yeah,
He's very calm.
it's good. Yeah, clean. Nothing. No problem. 07.
Crew Rounds.
What is that message? Ah. Little bit smell. Too much dark, no? Some cabins.
Smells not good.
What to do? Smells not good. Okay, 17th of 19. Florist
Crew Rounds.
with a tailor. You know the florist?
He's from the galley. He's very.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
very-
it's big cabin, no? No share bathroom, good. Okay, it's clean. Looks good. 21, yeah.
Crew
We
Rounds.
have only 3, this and 2 more left, and that's it. Hello.
Smells good. Good water.
Oh, too much chips.
Smells refreshing, huh? Smell.
That one they put on the top.
Ah.
21, 23. Where is it? No more.
Finish it up.
Here, 2 more rooms hidden, no? 23.
Hurrah!
These 2, no? Very quiet,
They
no?
can party here, you know?
Yeah. RDA stay with the room SRS.
Dolly. Because they are girl.
Ah, okay. It's good for the girls. They give them no sharing bathroom, no? It's hard.
From this one, in the
We-
F&B stewards, they're tuition.
Only one. Wow, taxis. Ah, I know this guy. I work with him.
Hurrah!
The Indonesian.
No.
It's okay. Nothing. Yeah. Good. Nothing. All good. That's it. See. 10 minutes. Well, a little bit more, but
No, we finished very early.
yeah. Yeah, but some cabins I was checking sometimes it's disaster, you know. Too much things to write, you know, like cruise
I
stuff.
hate girls because of this.
Yeah, yeah.
My officer who are couple,
Ah,
so they're going to go. I have 2 couple, but like they it seems like they never been in the room, only sleeping and cooking.
yeah. Hello. Crew round.